A powerful storm system stretches all the way from the Gulf Coast up into New England tonight. Some very heavy rain, severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings associated with that. Some warm, moist air coming up from the Gulf, very cold, dry air coming down from Canada. Normally we see this in the springtime, but it's set up this rotation in the atmosphere for potential tornadoes. The area on your screen that is in kind of a pinkish purple here represents some freezing rain that extended all the way from Missouri today up into the Ohio Valley and is now moving off into New England as well. And on the backside of this low with that cold air, some pretty heavy snow over parts of Kansas today. For us, the front moved off toward the east, and it's formed part of a stationary boundary that's out that direction. We have an area of high pressure over the eastern Pacific that is strengthening and moving into the area, so it will provide some mostly dry conditions for the next several days. And unfortunately, we'll also see some patchy fog, some of that freezing fog, especially developing in the valleys overnight. Our high temperatures today, we were in that warm sector after the front came through, so we saw quite a few places that made it into the 50s today. 55 in Grants Pass and Brookings and at Fort Jones, and even on the east side, some of those overnight temperatures came up significantly from where they were 2 days ago. Our forecast for tomorrow, mostly clear with high temperatures in the low to mid 50s out over the coast. Winds will be fairly light across the region. Sunshine out towards northern California with temperatures right around 50 degrees for highs. In the Klamath Basin, we'll see some partly cloudy skies giving way to clearer conditions later in the day, and we're expecting high temperatures right around 40 degrees. Over the mountains, temperatures in the low to mid 40s with some partly cloudy skies, and in the Rogue Valley, also partly cloudy. Again, we'll have to contend with some morning fog. Some of that could be freezing, but it should burn off and give us some sunny breaks in the afternoon with high temperatures in the 40s. 7-day outlook for the coast. No precipitation up there, just dry. Lots of sunshine. Christmas Day should be about 61 degrees in Brookings. Pretty warm on the Thursday after that. And in the Klamath Basin, plenty of sunshine also. A little bit cooler, though, toward the end of the week. Highs in the 30s and those overnight lows slipping back down into the teens. For Northern California, we'll see sunshine this week with just a few passing clouds. Also slightly cooler temperatures later in the week. And in the Rogue Valley, a similar story. Christmas Day, we're looking at slightly cooler weather, a high of about 38, probably some freezing fog, probably some stagnant air. I'm just as popular as I can be.